So beautiful people, see you where we'll be eating our blue rice. Okay, bye bye. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. So in this video I want to prepare blue pea flour. Okay, so this is the flour we plug. You see, it's very good. It's good for weight loss and it's good for high blood pressure, cancer. Okay, so I'm going to use it for my parboiled rice. Okay, so this is my rice. So I've already parboiled it, so I want to pour the flour in here. So I have my water here. This is hot water. So beautiful people, this is 10 minutes later. Okay, so I want it to come out very well. So beautiful people, so you see the color, this is blue. So I'm going to put the fire. Wow, this is nice, and please help me to subscribe for more videos. Okay, If you are just seeing me for the first time, subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. So beautiful people, our rice is ready. Blue pea rice, okay? So I want to take it down. So beautiful people, thank you very much. This is our rice. This is blue pea rice, okay? Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to share with your friend and family, and it cure many disease and cancer, high blood pressure, or you want to lose weight. If you have this flour, try and be taking this if you want to lose weight, okay? So beautiful people, see you where we'll be eating our blue rice, okay? Bye bye.